Good morning, you guys. It's Claire from Clairified Creations, and today's vlog is going to the Biltmore Estate with my boyfriend. We are supposed to be leaving in a few minutes, so I need to go over and meet him at his house. But if you don't know what Biltmore is, it's this basically huge kind of castle in Asheville, North Carolina. So we are going to be driving up there today, and we're spending probably today and tomorrow, but we'll just kind of see how it goes today because we will be driving back to the Spartanburg, South Carolina area. Let's go to Biltmore. Hey guys, we made it to Biltmore and it is freezing out here. It's currently 28 or something degrees. But the house is super pretty. Let me show you all. There it is. There's the Asheville Mountains in the backdrop. We got here a little bit early and it's currently 9:35 and we're just waiting to do the house tour, which starts at 10. I don't think I can bring you guys along for that because I'm pretty sure I read that photography and videography is not allowed in the house, but I will be vlogging everything outside of that. I'm so cold, guys. It's freezing out here. This is the map of the estate. So we're currently right here at the house, and there's a trail ride barn, deer park. I wonder if there's deer there. And then the hotel area. Oh, and gardens. We'll definitely have to check that out. I read online also that there's 22 miles of hiking trails and indoor and outdoor gardens. So even though it's currently winter in February, there should still be a good amount of plants that we can see in the gardens, inside at least. Update, we just finished touring the Biltmore house and surprisingly I could film some of it, so I got a few clips of what it looked like. It is crazy how big that place is. I think it's 37 bedrooms, 43 bathrooms, there's a kitchen, a laundry room, a swimming pool, and a bowling alley. It's pretty crazy. And now we're at the lockers, but we did not mean to go to the lockers. We're just trying to get to the gardens, but it's not. We don't know where we're going, guys. It's currently 11:06, and next stop is supposed to be the gardens, but we'll see if we end up getting there. Look at this, guys. Look how pretty. It's a castle or estate. And this was all built in the 1800s, right? Late 1800s, 1890s. Here is more of a look. There's a bus coming, you guys. This is kind of the house behind me. The architecture at this place is really crazy. The wood architecture and the etchings in it. Here's the non-existent gardens. We believe they're working on them down there. The views. It's so pretty here in Asheville. I love the mountains. Back look at the house. And work in progress over here. We found the gardens finally. They do exist, but there is some construction progress. But if you see the ceiling, I think these might be grapevines. They're probably gonna grow some grapes, but not right now because it's too cold for that. But I'm pretty sure there's an indoor conservatory as well to see all the different plants, and I think that all of those plants should be alive because, you know, it's inside and climate controlled. Gardens. We're currently on the trail trying to decide how to get to the river, but there, all the way over there is the house where we came from. We're definitely getting our steps in today. Here we've come across a goose crossing. They're all just deciding to cross the road. Look at that one. He's just prancing on around, looking at his options. Yep. And he's walking with such confidence. He's the alpha goose, I bet. Quick little update. We are super hungry and we're currently leaving the estate to go get some food. Hoping to try a local place in Asheville. Comment down below what food place we should try, even though by the time you're watching this video we will have already decided, just in case for next time. And then we're gonna plan to come back and explore the other areas, go to the indoor garden, some more of the gardens, and I think it's called Antler Hill Village or something like that. We're eating at the Biscuit Head. I got the biscuit French toast. What do we get over here?
A breakfast meal.
A breakfast meal with a biscuit. Review of the Biscuit Head. It was so good. 10 out of 10 recommend if you're in the Asheville, North Carolina area or Biltmore to eat over there. A, probably because it's going to be way more affordable too. And B, their biscuits in particular. If you go to the Biscuit Head, you have to try the biscuits. It's a must. And also, every menu item on there had a biscuit involved in some way, shape, or form. He got the biscuit breakfast, so it had that, eggs, bacon, and fruit. And I got the French toast, and I got the strawberry marmalade jam topping on it with some fresh strawberries. It was very good. We're in the conservatory now, and look at how beautiful. It's a tropical oasis. This is Antler Hill Barn. Looking bare. Nobody's here, guys. This is so sad. Actually, it's empty. Besides kids running around. The quest for some things to get from the store. I wanted to get a magnet for my parents and for me and my grandparents. Everywhere is closed. So just a FYI, maybe don't go in the middle of winter. unless you want everything to be closed. I really just did this because it was the most affordable option. But, oh, are those animals? Since there is not much to do over there, we are at the farm area at Antler Hill, and we're just kind of walking around seeing the little farm animals. I'll show you guys when we get a little bit closer. It is really, really dead. It's honestly so sad. There's no way we're gonna come back for day 2 since we've kind of already done everything that we can. But let's look. I think these are little lamb. They're saying hi. They're just munching on grass, enjoying life. Well, guys, that's the extent of our animal tour. We really hope you enjoyed this world-class zoo experience. There is nothing over here. It is really sad. Actually, wow. I hope you guys like the lamb. Maybe we can see the cows over there. I see some moo-moos, but I'm not sure if we're really supposed to walk over there. But maybe we'll try it anyways. Guys, this is the absolute best I can do. I'm sorry about the horrible footage here, but you can see some tiny specks. I think those are, what, goats? Here we see thousands of people just roaming around. I kind of wanted to try this place. It's a creamery, but it's closed like all the other places here. Wait, is it? Is it actually, or because I see people there? Oh, it's open. Officially almost back to Nate's house, and Biltmore overall was such a good trip. We, again, highly recommend going in the summertime or warmer months. Even the fall, I think, would be kind of busier for things to do. But yeah, it was super fun. I'll include some pictures maybe at the end of this video or sprinkle them out throughout. He's pumping my gas like a good guy. You're fun. But we'll see you guys later. Bye.